Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Makia Forex, and here is our gold analysis for the day. So yesterday I didn't do an analysis because we never had electricity, so that's why I didn't do a morning analysis. But today we are back and we have electricity. So let me tell you guys what happened. So yesterday I was predicting a sell on gold, and if you follow us very well, I did give a sell on gold in the Telegram group. If you are not yet in our Telegram group, make sure you join our Telegram group and stay tuned. Turn on all notifications because that is where we share most of our signals. This is August 14, as you can clearly see over here. Gold analysis from Monday to Wednesday, we are in a consolidation, and that's exactly what happened, because from Monday to Wednesday we're in a consolidation. And see what I said here, the CPI will give us a green light to know if gold will continue bullish or bearish. But my prediction for the CPI today is to sell gold, and this was exactly what I dropped, because there was a current price before the CPI that was at 115. You can see that gold was already selling at this sell zone, and I was predicting that gold was going to sell all the way down to this area, and it did sell past this area during the CPI. And as you can clearly see, we even had a live stream going on during the CPI news so that people can come in and make money. So I always do live streams during major news events, and even during the live stream I was still saying that gold was going to sell, and people sold gold, made a lot of money with us, and that is how we trade forex. So this is my trade which I was doing that particular day. I was selling gold, and we did make some good profit at the end of the day, which is not bad. So for today, after the sell on gold from this area all the way to this area, which was about this area, that's about 400 pips, so 415 pips, you can see that we have a pullback. Now we have to be very careful because gold is pulling back to a particular area. This area, as you can clearly see, is actually a technical support area which might become a resistance in the future. So we are looking at what is going to happen over here very strongly, because you know I'm still predicting a sell on gold. Even though gold is still in a bullish trend, I'm still predicting a sell on gold. If we go to the 1 day time frame, let's look at the 1 day time frame. You'll see that this candle is a strong bearish candle, and we may see that gold pulls up to that particular zone and falls back down strongly all the way to this area like this, if you know what I mean. So let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. So in the 1 hour time frame, we can see that gold is pulling to this area, and we're seeing already gold forming a pullback, or let's say a reversal at this particular area. Let's go to the 50 minutes time frame for in-depth analysis. You can see already, because this particular zone is actually a support zone, and you know when a support zone is broken strongly, it might become a resistance. And you can even see what happened in this area already. This is already price action to tell you that what this doji candle that formed here is already giving us a bearish move on gold, if you know what I'm saying. But I'm still going to watch to see what actually happens here strongly. If this particular area is a very strong reversal area, then I may take a sell on gold like from here and predict a sell on gold all the way to this area. At least this TP1 or TP2 will be very good, because I'm still thinking that gold is going to sell all the way to the downside. So if gold pulls up to this area, then it sells back down, it means that gold is already on a bearish trend, and this was just a pullback to the upside, if you know what I mean. So we may take a sell on gold. That's if we see a strong reversal in that area. We may take a sell on gold from there, and we can put our TP around this particular area for those trading in a long-term move. You can see that even if you put your stop loss above this area, it's already a 3:1 risk to reward ratio, which is not bad for a swing trader or a position trader. So anyways, let's just take this one out first, and let's look at what we can have during the day. So intraday, I'll go to the 30 minutes time frame. What we have, we're already seeing a strong sell candle here, so I'm still gonna be like selling gold right now and waiting to see how is, if it breaks past this resistance areas, then it's going to fall down onto this area. Then if it breaks past this area, we know clean and clear gold is bearish for this week, and that's how it's going to be like. So today we also have news. We also have the retail sales, we have the initial jobless claims, we have also Feds, I think is it Philadelphia Feds, whatever it is. Okay, those news is also going to make the market to act in a particular direction, but I'm still bearish on gold as of now. Okay, I'm still bearish. In fact, I'm still looking for sells on gold as of now. So that's my analysis for the day. if you're not yet in our group, make sure you join, and make sure you turn on notifications, because many people join but they don't follow up with what we do, and that is exactly why they miss trades and they keep complaining that they join bad groups and they lose money from trading. Anyways, that's it for this video. Make sure you check the link in the description and make sure you follow us on all our updates. Thanks for watching.